need a bowl of water, a brush, a piece of tin foil or paper, no, card would do, I think, anything, a plastic bag even, and a cookie cutter. And you put your cookie cutter on there, and we also need 4 sheets will do of toilet paper. And what we're going to do is we're going to just wet inside your heart or your shape. If you don't have a cookie cutter, you could cut out the shape, but it might get a little bit soggy. And then you put your toilet roll in the heart and just push it in. I'll try to do this one-handed. Now the first one's always going to be messy, because you just want to get it into your heart or your shape, whatever shape you're using. Now this is a good one for the kids. We're all looking for things to do with the kids. Right, wait, I'm just going to put my camera down so I can get this all pushed in. There we go, wait a minute. And just stick the water on. Okay, what toilet paper's like for drawing in the paper. Right, there's your first layer. That's your first layer done. There we go, first layer's done. Now it's a little bit easier if you actually hold the cookie cutter, because it stops it moving about on the paper. Second sheet of toilet roll. Just do the same. Just wet it, push it in. It doesn't matter how it goes in as long as you get it in there, because you're going to push it into the shape. We'll need to try and keep the kids entertained in this lockdown, so hopefully this'll do. Right, I'm only trying this for the first time. It just popped into my head while I was doing my other craft last night. It's amazing what you can think about when you can't get to sleep. This is my other project. This is a little bit of honey. It's half done. And she's just done using her head's a polystyrene ball, paper mache round. Her ears are just little bits of cardboard, and her face is just little screwed up pieces of toilet roll. And her body's a plastic bottle. Her legs are rolled up tin foil glued on. And her heart, this was what gave me the idea last night, her heart, the heart's her chest. So, hopefully, it's layer 3, layer 4, and as I say, you're just pushing it into the shape with the water on your water. Now if this was my sister Alison, she would be yakking in my ear about what my thing is, but all it is toilet paper and water. Now just give it a good wet. And all you're going to do with this is sit it on your heating. Anywhere warm, or you can just leave them overnight. And the kids could have hundreds of these done in a day, as long as you're willing to sacrifice that old precious toilet roll, which is not such a hard commodity to get now. There we are, that's it. Take your heart off and leave it on the paper to dry. Okay guys, this is what I was doing this morning, just to show you with the water. This heart has dried. I've had them sitting on the radiator. Now it's still soft, but it's kept its shape. Good enough. You could paint them. Just be careful with your paints that they don't get misshaped again. Glue them, glitter them, stick things on them. Now this one is the PVA glue, which is a lot harder. This is still just 4 sheets of toilet paper. Did a little heart. This one's a bit thicker, so it's not quite dry, but this is a PVA glue as well. Now this one I did for the boys. I found this, I had these from Halloween. I cut it in half. It was little drinking cups for putting in the freezer for making ice. So I cut them in half, and I've glued the first layer in with just water just to get it to stick there, and then I've used PVA glue for the rest. Sat them on the radiator to dry, and I've peeled them off. Here we go. And there you are, there's one for the boys. Little skeleton. So if you have a wee go at this, guys, when they've been sitting on the radiator, I advise you to turn them halfway through just to dry, because I had one that stuck to the paper. But all I did was just take my brush and water and put it back in place and sat it on the radiator. So if you make any, guys, just give us a little picture, a little post, just to see if my crafts work out for you. So keep safe and craft on.